Hey guys! In this video I will show you how to edit matte black filter using Lightroom Mobile. There are some examples photo before and after using this filter. So guys, without wasting your time, let's jump to the tutorial. First go to light. Contrast -25. Highlights -17. Shadows +9. Whites -15. Blacks -40. And go to color. Temp +4. Tint +1. Vibrance -1. Go to color mix. First go to red color. Hue +4. Luminance -13. Next go to orange. Hue -11. Luminance 13. Next go to yellow. Saturation -100. Luminance -18. Go to green. Saturation 100. Luminance -25. Go to sky blue. Saturation -100. Go to blue. Saturation -100. Go to purple. Saturation -100. Go to pink. Saturation -100. And done. Next go to effects. Bring the clarity +12. Dehiz +8. Vintage -41. Now go to details. Sharpening +68. Noise reduction +39. and done. If you like this preset, you can also download this preset from the description. And thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe ISNAP for more photography tutorial. See you next time. Have a great day.